Hola, clase. Today we are going to have a lesson on el tiempo. More specifically, we're going to talk about two verbs in Spanish that we use when we are trying to explain or describe the type of weather that is happening. So we've been practicing this question every day in class. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? Remember, ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy means what is the weather today? And so today we're going to focus on this verb, hace, and another verb that we use when we're speaking about the weather. When we talk about the weather, there are two ways to indicate what weather is happening. You can use the verb está or you can use the verb hace. Now, these sometimes can be used interchangeably, but not always. And that's something that you'll worry about as you move on in Spanish. We're not going to get too worried about that right now. So, está means it is in Spanish. And so, está comes from the verb estar, which means to be in Spanish. If I want to say it is raining in Spanish, I would say está lloviendo. It is raining. If I wanted to say it is snowing in Spanish, I would say está nevando. It is snowing. Now, sometimes we use another verb. Instead of está, we use hace, and hace means it makes in Spanish. So, hace comes from the verb hacer, which means to make. Hace is not used, like I said, in all weather situations. Here are a few where hace is used. If I want to say hace buen tiempo, the English translation, or what we like to say that this means, is it is good weather. But the direct translation from Spanish to English would be it is making good weather. Hace mal tiempo. This means it is bad weather, but the direct translation from English or from Spanish to English would be it is making bad weather. Hace sol, we like that to say or mean it is sunny, but the direct translation would be it is making sun. Let's look at an image and see what types of weather, tiempo, we think we see. So here's this image. I would say, está ventoso. It is windy. You can see that those palm trees are really blowing. I might say hace sol because it is sunny. I could say verano because it's probably in the summertime. I would personally say hace buen tiempo, but that is an opinion. So here's another picture. Yikes. So for this one, I would say invierno, it is winter. I would say está nevando. I can see that it is snowing. You might say ventisca, blizzard. Could be está ventoso. It could be windy. And I would definitely say hace mal tiempo. I like snow, but I don't like it a lot. All right, isn't el tiempo, the weather, muy interesante? Interesting. So use this information to help you with the activity that you will be doing today. I hope this lesson helped remind you of two different ways that we can use verbs in Spanish to talk about the weather. Have a great day, mis estudiantes.